Okay, so today we're going to derive the quadratic formula from the standard form of a quadratic function. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to divide everything by a. We're going to factor out a. So divide everything by a. So then you're going to get a parentheses x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. So now we don't want this 8 to be here, we want this equation to be by itself, so we're going to divide both sides by a. So these are going to cancel, and because 0 divided by any number is still 0, this stays the same. So you would get x squared plus b over a x plus c over a, which still equals 0. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to subtract c over a from both sides because we want the x terms to stay together and we want these two terms to be together. So we're going to subtract c over a. And we would get x squared b over ax equals negative c over a. So now we're going to try to complete the square to factor this all out. So I'm going to show my math over here. You're going to do 1/2 times b over a, and then you're going to square it later. So that would give you b over 2a squared, which would give you b squared over 4a squared. So that you're going to add that to both sides. So now you're going to want to combine these two. So you're going to multiply this by 4a to get it to match this denominator. So you would get, again I'm going to show my math over here, c over a, 4a, or 4a, and you would get 4ac over 4a squared. I'm actually just going to erase that because it takes up space. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add these two together. So you would get the same thing on this side. Nothing has changed.
Very good. Andrew, tell us what you got.
Oh, I'm sorry. You would, something does change. You're going to factor this out, and you would get x plus b over 2a squared equals b squared over 4a squared minus 4ac over 4ac. And that would give you b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So then you're going to find the square root of each side. And that would give you x plus b over 2a, which equals the square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, and this is going to start looking pretty familiar. And then we're going to subtract, because you want all the same terms on one side, you want to get x by itself. So you're going to subtract b over 2a from both sides. Plus or minus, because a negative times a negative is a positive, and a positive times a positive is a positive. So then, you're going to get x equals negative b over 2a plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and that is a quadratic formula.